Come here, you. Cold as tits out here. This is not a good time for two-wheel drive. This ain't too bad. It's about like -10 outside right now. And that is super cold. I thought that I was gonna drain another battery because I couldn't get her started just at all. She would not move. I also probably should have gotten like a ski mask or something. I can't see anything. Ooh. A little too fast, a little too cold. I don't think I could rip it through there. But this is hella sketchy. Alright, I'm in neutral. I can't see anything because it freezes. I don't know how you guys doing. How much of this am I actually filming? Holy crap, that's not okay. You know what they say, visibility is everything. And I currently am looking out through a crack. My ass is sliding everywhere. That's great. Anyway, how's everybody doing? So again, like I said, it's a short ride today. This is like the official ride right after I did the rebuild on this quad. I did an engine rebuild. And I did change the gasket. I got new valves for it. I obviously changed the oil, timed it real good, and she seems to be performing pretty well so far. Nothing to complain about, other than it being super cold, freakishly cold, and so it's kind of hard to get her started, kind of get her going, get her warmed up, but otherwise, not too bad. I don't know how long my face can take this. I don't know, not very long probably. So I'm gonna go grab a hot cup of cocoa or something real quick. I gotta find a way to protect my face more without me fogging up so much, because that just freezes on my visor. I don't know if I can pop a wheelie in this. It's been a while. The weather doesn't permit me to do much as well. I'm not heavy. Nope. I gotta say, she performs very well in second gear like that. Now I'm fogging up like real bad. Can't see a bloody thing. And it's just, as you can see, so that's the icicles I have on the inside of my helmet. It just freezes way too fast. I don't know how my face is doing this, but it's also snowing, and I bet you it feels like we're in the negatives. I'm pretty sure it's like -10. But she runs like a champ. Hell yeah. Pretty proud of myself. Did the whole rebuild myself. New parts for it and everything. I guess I do have, so I want to fix this. That's the next thing. That's the next lineup, I guess. I want to fix the master cylinder because it broke off last time. And there's probably air in the line, so I don't have a rear brake. I did put the rear brake up here, so when you wheelie, super convenient. So I have a clutch down here, rear brake right here, front brake right here, and as you can see right there, that came off. I guess, I don't know if somebody's coming down on a wheelie or something, and or me, probably me, and that tore off, so I don't have there's no rear brake on this one. There's nothing's connected to this. You can see my reverse. It works. It's broken. That little knobby thing is broken. But yeah, man, she runs like a champ for a little piece of shit like this that I bought for $1,700. Runs like a champ. I love it. Hey, best $1,700 I've ever spent, to be honest. So my head is really warm. Everything is great. I want to ride, but I can't get 10 feet without my entire face, or not even my face. Like if I have my visor closed, it's not so bad. So like, how do I keep my visor from fogging up? And then once it fogs up, it actually turns to ice, like immediately, if the visor is open. If it's closed, it turns to water, which is cool and all, but I have no way of wiping it, so I don't know what to do. Otherwise, this would have been freaking awesome. That over there is a park, and I don't want to rip it through the park, because somebody like Karen, whatever their name could be, would obviously call the cops or something on me. I'm just trying to have me some dank woolly time, some quad time after I worked on it. I don't know. Seems reasonable to me. Come here, you. Whew. That was fun. Hope the camera caught that. That was slippery, and I fell on my ass. I also think I twisted my ankle there. My ankle's really hurting, and my elbow. Ow. Whee! Oh, this is great. I'm having such a good time. Freezing my everything off. This is amazing. Why doesn't everybody do this? Like first or second gear, you have like no traction, right? So you can literally just go into a corner sideways and just blip it a little bit, like that. This is so much fun. I can take it at first gear, but then she'd be revving a lot. And if I keep it in second and I give it too much gas, she'll stall. Wait, that's not true. I mean, if I really romp on it, she doesn't like it. She kind of bogs if I go up a gear. That makes sense because I'm not going fast enough. Let me see, that was second. Or maybe that wasn't third, actually. Hold on a minute. I don't even know what gear I was in. That's second. Yeah, I was probably in third. I think that's third. Oh, that guy's got a snowmobile. That's mad dope. I'm gonna stop at this gas station real quick. I think I'm sweating. I'm actually sweating. That's not good. I'm having so much fun, I don't want to stop. But not being able to see is driving me insane. I'm also curious how the camera's performing. Like, hopefully the cold didn't completely kill it. Because everything else, I know, like, either the battery's super drained or it just stops working. It is freakishly cold. I don't know why I'm doing this. What do you guys think? You want to see more of the quad? More quad adventures? Because I'm down. I'm about it. Maybe more like next week. It should be at least 30 degrees, so it won't be so bad. I think that's money right there. Also, my left tire is super flat and my right rear tire is super flat. That's basically no air in it. Right now though, I kind of like where I'm at. Actually, the less air I have, the more traction I have, so that's good. But yeah, how you guys doing? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Because I got a lot of comments about the quad and not so much about like my 636. If that's the case and y'all just want to see more quad stuff, you gotta just, all you gotta do is say something. It's so easy to just like lose traction. Alright, so I'm going to do one more circle real quick because I can, and I'm going to call it a day. My face is cold. I'm not trying to hurt myself too much. I'm not trying to get all kinds of, I don't want to get in the hospital or nothing. So, check this out. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. Currently, I'm going to take a right turn. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I think this is a really cool test ride, and the quad happens to be performing exceptionally well, and I am really digging it. I'm enjoying it. Then my eyelids are frozen. Whatever. Anyway, if you guys want to see more of this stuff, let me know. I am going to come out, what is it, next weekend, when the weather is a little bit better. Like I said, now like in the negatives, probably like a 30 degrees. I can totally do that. That's not a big deal for me. This is my street. This is my street. This is my street. And so, thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like my content, please think about subscribing and liking. It really helps the channel. I appreciate y'all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Bye.